In this video, I'll be teaching you how to manage risk and reward in crypto. I am Progress Ibrahim. Before I continue, I would like to say this is not disclaim that this is not a financial advice, and what we do in this place is that we provide the best form of knowledge that you can find in the crypto space, and with this knowledge, we believe that with this knowledge you'll be equipped to maximize the opportunity in the crypto space. If you like to be receiving quality content from 25 Academy, and you love to actually know what you are doing in the crypto space, you love to know love to actually have a deep understanding of topics like DeFi, how crypto trading, NFT, yield farming, staking, security when it comes to cryptocurrency, crypto assets. If this sounds like something you like to know more about, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now one of the features of one of the constant thing in investing is risk. You know, when you are conceiving the idea of investing in the crypto space, one of the factors that you should consider, one of the things that you should always think about is the risk to reward. Just like the popular saying goes this way: no pain, no gain. Now, it's very true in every endeavor. Whatever you are doing today, even if you are trying to build a career, there are risks to it. You have to sacrifice your time, your money in education, in taking some courses. If you are investment, you have to be willing to stake your capital, and you have to be willing to actually wait, be patient. That's time. You have to put in time, resources, and money resources. Yeah, and now the same applies to the crypto space. If you want to invest in the crypto space, if you want to be a cryptopreneur, that means someone that does a crypto business, that trade, that holds or invest. Yeah, that means you are willing, and you should all know and be willing to endure the risk, take the risk, and now I will be willing to take the risk now. But it is not it is more important for you to know what these risks are and know how to manage and minimize the risk. Since cryptocurrency has a very good upside, that means you can easily make money, you can become a millionaire in the crypto space in a short time. But that also means whatever that is valuable has a high risk. Whatever that has a high reward has a high risk. Yeah, so that also means it has risk, potential risk. Yeah, so the essence of this video is to show you the form of risk in the crypto space, in crypto business, and how you can mitigate this risk, how you can manage this risk in order to get the best from doing crypto business. Okay, having said that, okay, there's a concept called risk to reward ratio in crypto space. In investing generally, the risk to reward ratio is a ratio that helps investors, that helps traders, that help business people to determine the proportion of risk to a reward. What it means is that if the risk to reward ratio is one ratio, then it means it means that if I'm making a decision to invest $1, I'm expecting I'm expecting $10 as yield. Okay, what it means is that I should be willing to lose $1 in expectation for $10. Yeah, so that being said, but in crypto space, the risk, that means what affects the outcome of your yield, of your return, it's not just one thing. It has a component of it's a component of many things. We have volatility, we have the timing risk, we have security risk. Now, when you compound these three, or when you add these three together, you end up you end up having a very good understanding of the risk that is in crypto business, or that is in cryptocurrency. Okay, now having said that, let's now look at what are these risks, and how you can manage this risk in order to get the best in crypto business. Okay, the forms of crypto risk and how they affect you. One, volatility risk. Volatility simply means the absence of stability in some cryptocurrencies, in some crypto assets. So what it means is that the price of Bitcoin can be $30,000 today, and in the following day it will become $50,000. So in this case, you are making profit in a very short time. And also in the reverse case, the reverse case is also true. The price of cryptocurrency can be 40K now, and in next hour it can it can decline, it can crash to $30,000 or 30K. So what does it mean? It means that if you are able to maximize the volatility, if you are able to maximize the volatility, the instability in the market, you should be able to make good money. Make good money. And if you are unable to manage the volatility, it will affect you, and it may even lead to the loss of your capital. Okay, now I'll show you how to manage the volatility in this video. Okay, having known that, let's know the next risk, timing risk. One of the problems that most people face, even people that have been in crypto business at times, is that they don't actually know when to enter the market and when to exit the market, when to buy crypto assets. In short, in simple terms, when do you buy crypto assets and when do you sell crypto assets? Do you just maybe you see you saw on Twitter that the price of Shiba is going up, and people are making money from Shiba. You quickly take your app, install BNB and verify yourself, and get verified. Then you buy some Shiba coin. Is that how it happens? Okay, no, that is not how it is done. If you do that, you end up shooting yourself a leg. You end up paying dearly for such a irrational attitude. Okay, but what you need to do is that you need to understand that there's a right time for you to buy a crypto asset, and there's a right time for you to sell. And that right time is what the cryptopreneurs call buying the dip and selling the top. What it simply means is that the dip is actually a time when the market is bloody, just like Rothschild said that that you buy when the market is bloody, even if it is your own blood. Okay, it simply, what he's simply saying is that when the market is bloody, I mean, people will be complaining. You see, people will be saying, "Oh, cryptocurrency is not a good business," and people will be selling. Will be doing what is called recapitulation. Recapitulation is a situation in the market where people are selling at a loss, selling their crypto holding at a loss. So at this time, this is a signal for you to buy. And technically, the RSI is below 30, which is a sign of the bearish zone. So with these two signals, you can really take profit. And when the market is growing and the people are happy, and people are buying more, then that is the right time for you to sell, because by that time you would have made good profit. Okay, now the next form of risk is security risk. Now, since cryptocurrency is all about value, It's all about how it's all about value, and whatever that is valuable will attract security threat. Okay, so same is cryptocurrency. If you are having a coin, if you're having a crypto portfolio, you need to understand that there are hackers and scammers that are looking for a way to gain entrance into your crypto holdings and steal them from you. And the two entrance to your crypto holding are actually through exchange and through your crypto wallet. Now, in exchange, there's what we call 2FA, two-factor authentication. You can use two-factor authentication to add an extra security layer to your account on any exchange. I believe most of the exchanges like Binance, Gemini, and others have a two-factor authentication. It is very important. Now, what this will help you to do is that it will help you to after when you want to access your account and you've provided your login details, it will add you for an extra security code which will be supplied by you. Okay, having said that, also your crypto wallet, you should ensure that the private keys are saved in many places, and it is private to you. It's not disclosed to third party. And also ensure that you use the recommended crypto wallet. If it is Hot Wallet, we have Trust Wallet, we have Exodus, MetaMask, and so forth. Okay, now how to stop loss and to take profit in crypto. You take profit when the market is in a bull, when the price of your crypto asset is increasing, and you stop loss when the price are decreasing. But how do we do that? So let me show you on Binance. How you can take profit and stop loss. Let's go with Binance paired with BUSD. So let's say I want to sell. Now I'll come to this limit. We go to OCO. OCO means one cancel order. Is a function on most exchanges on trading platform, which means if one of the price has been achieved, it's either the stop loss or take profit. If the take profit has been achieved, the stop loss will be cancelled, or if the stop loss is achieved, the take profit will be cancelled. Okay, let's say I'm buying. Okay, let's say I want to sell at 500. Then this is the price. Once this particular price has achieved, I will sell. So that means I'll make huge profit. This is based on the support and your technical analysis. Okay, let's say I want to sell once it get to 400, and also let the stop be also be my limit 400 or so. Then I want to sell. Let's say you come to this place and choose the percentage you want to sell. Is it 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%? Now, once you are done, you click on sell BNB. It will automatically place. Now, the reason why it's showing invalid is because I don't actually have BNB that I want to sell. Yeah, but once you have, it will automatically place an open order, and it will appear like this. Look at the open order I have currently. Yeah, so this is basically how to manage risk in the crypto, how to manage risk in cryptocurrency, how to manage risk and reward in crypto as a cryptopreneur. And now what I want you to understand and to have as a mindset is that whatever that is valuable, we have risk. And the point is not about how the magnitude of the risk or how big the risk is, but the point of focus should be how do you minimize the risk, how do you manage the risk and be able to maximize the profit, the upside in crypto asset. So 25, we believe that with this strategy, you'll be able to the risk and be able to manage the risk in the crypto space. Also, I will leave a link below to 25 community. You can join the 25 community, and on 25 community you have access to deep insights, deep analysis. You meet experts that will help you to understand better many of the topics, and you ask your questions. It's a community you can buy coins from 25. It's a trusted community where everything you do is secure and it is trusted. And also you can get free signal and other things, other benefits. So just click on the description and you get a link to the platform. You get a link to the community. Yeah, so that is it for now. You hear from me next week. Thank you.